First and foremost, you must realize that a true Pisces man is a realist. They don't risk their money on anything that isn't certain, so if you've already had a few dates with this guy, you may be assured that he actually likes you. You'll undoubtedly want more because they have such a seductive and addicting quality about them. But how simple would it be to entice him to love you? Pisces guys have highly specific preferences. Following these simple yet powerful astrology romantic techniques can convince him that all of his good days have arrived at once. Here's 5 ways on how to make a Pisces man fall in love. 1. Don't be afraid to give compliments. There's no such thing as too many compliments for a Pisces man. They can't get enough of hearing how wonderful they are. Everything gives him such a rush, from laughing at one of his jokes to sending him a note that he looks wonderful this morning. Tell him you've been telling all of your closest friends how fantastic he is, and he'll be as soft as putty in your hands. 2. Take an interest in art history. You don't have to become an art expert overnight, but if you want a Pisces man to fall in love with you, exhibit an interest in art history. He enjoys spending days in galleries or modern art museums, especially when he knows the girl on his arm is having a good time as well. You don't have to enroll in a degree program, but you should at the very least brush up on the classics and know your Monet from your Michelangelo. 3. Respect a Pisces man's sensitivity to win his love. A Pisces man is someone who is born under the water element's zodiac sign. He shares this characteristic with Cancer and Scorpio, and while those two souls each have a hard shell and a stinger, the Pisces man is less defensive in nature. One of the most effective strategies to persuade a Pisces man to notice you is to recognize his sensitive side. Whether he wants it or not, life hits him hard. This is the type of guy who will lie awake at night obsessing over someone criticizing his appearance or reminiscing about earlier heartbreaks and wondering where it all went wrong. Four. Make him live out his fantasies with you. Your Pisces man will occasionally stare off into space with a confused expression on his face that appears sorrowful or lonely. That doesn't necessarily imply that he's in the midst of a catastrophe. Men and women born under the sign of Pisces have a special connection to the inner workings of life and the world. Their thoughts and hearts are bizarre and vast landscapes in which they can easily become lost. It also makes them naturally creative people. Showing an interest in his art, poetry, writing, or sculpture can help a Pisces man fall in love with you. 5. When he's in a bad mood, give him some space. You'll have to prepare yourself for his bad moods as long as you're dating a Pisces man. Don't bother trying to figure out why he's in such a foul mood, he might not comprehend it himself. The best thing to do is to give him space while also avoiding being in a nasty attitude. If you can give him some space when he's down in the dumps, he'll appreciate and adore you more.
I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and share it with others, and subscribe for more dating tips videos like this. Do you have any dating tips I might have left out? Please post them in the comment section below.